Every now and then, high school students will receive recognition in sports, academics, and other areas that are often associated with adults. For example, Frisco High School junior Alec Alonso was recently recognized by Apple for developing a more efficient and practical way for programmers to create apps and write software.
What I did wasn't necessarily an app, it's more an addition to an already existing programming language. In a broad sense, this is much easier to use than what is already in place, and it's a lot cleaner. It will be able to be used on Linux and Windows, not just Apple products.
The programming improvement that Alec has developed is something that will affect consumers indirectly.
In a lot of the games where someone has to roll the dice and a number is randomly selected for you to move your person or something, rolling the dice would be what my addition does. It allows developers to get a random number, which is what this dice would do.
You know, first of all, the biggest thing is that he made an addition to, a commonly used programming language. Apple's, Swift programming language. He made a significant enhancement to it that will add functionality that millions of people who develop for Apple will use across the world. But on a personal level, I mean, it's a testimony to the fact that somebody as young as him can learn everything he needs to know about random number generation or any topic. He learned random number generations and all the nuances to it, develop the code that Apple will accept.
With another year to go in high school, Alec still puts his schoolwork first.
A lot of the people in the community and the engineers there at Apple, this is their job. They have a lot more time to comment on my proposal or the review, whereas for me, I have to spend most of my time at school worrying about school, and then at home it's really making sure I get my homework done first, and then spending what time I have left commenting, making sure I'm up to date with where people are.
It's a testimony to the fact that in today's programming world, all right, it doesn't matter how old you are or where you are. What it matters is what you can get done.
Alec has earned a head start into the world of computer programming by taking the initiative to follow through on an idea. Role models are not exclusive to sports and entertainment. They are also people like Alec Alonso, who we sit next to in school every day. For RACC-TV, I'm Madeline Hicks.